Changes in income tax rules will have an impact on taxpayers when they file their returns in 2025. Here are the key changes that you need to know. Revised income tax slab. The government has updated the income tax slab under the new tax regime to benefit taxpayers in financial year 2024-25. The new tax slabs are as follows. Rupees 0 to Rupees 3 lakh, no tax. Rupees 3 lakh and 1 rupee to Rupees 7 lakhs, 5% tax. Rupees 7 lakh and 1 rupee to Rupees 10 lakh, 10% tax. Rupees 10 lakh and 1 rupee to Rupees 12 lakh, 15% tax. Rupees 12 lakh and 1 rupee to Rupees 15 lakh, 20% tax. Anything above Rupees 15 lakh and 1 rupee will be charged 30% tax. Increased basic exemption limit. The basic exemption limit has been raised from 2,50,000 to 3 lakhs, meaning individuals earning up to Rupees 3 lakh will now be exempted from income tax. Higher standard deductions. For salaried employees, the standard deduction has increased from 50,000 to Rupees 75,000. For family pensioners, it has been raised from Rupees 15,000 to Rupees 25,000. However, the standard deduction for those opting for old tax regime remains unchanged at Rupees 50,000 for salaried individuals and Rupees 15,000 for family pensioners. New TDS regulations. Under the new tax regime, individuals can claim a deduction of up to 14% of their basic salary for employer contribution to the National Pension Scheme, up from the previous 10%. Changes in capital gains tax. Short-term capital gains on equity investments will now be taxed at 20%, up from 15%. Long-term capital gains on equity and mutual funds will be taxed at a flat 12.5%. The exemption limit for long-term capital gains from equity investments has been raised to Rupees 1.25 lakh per financial year from Rupees 1 lakh. The holding period for long-term assets has been simplified to 12 months and 24 months, eliminating the previous 36-month period. TCS on luxury goods. Tax collected at source or TCS will be levied on luxury goods exceeding Rupees 10 lakh. Vivad se Vishwas Scheme 2.0. The government has reintroduced the Vivad se Vishwas scheme to resolve disputes between taxpayers and the Income Tax Department.